You lie on a blanket under a dark sky when a bright streak of light shoots across the heavens. That happens now because the year's greatest meteor shower began. I share what you need to know to see this cosmic show. My name is Jayo Gitani, and you are watching Zen C. Join me today to unravel the beauty of the amazing Perseid shower cosmic show. When you see these shooting stars, you are watching tiny pieces of a comet named Swift-Tuttle. That comet died over 1,000 years ago, but it still puts on the best light show in our solar system. These cosmic fragments hit our atmosphere at 37 miles per second. That speed lets them travel from New York to Los Angeles in under 2 minutes. The Perseid Meteor shower began on July 17 and will continue until August 23. Many people are unaware that they do not have to wait until the peak in mid-August to see these celestial events. In late July, you can spot from 5 to 15 meteors per hour during the darkest part of the night. This allows a viewer to see the show before many others. This year's Perseids are noteworthy. At peak activity in mid-August, astronomers predict that you could see 50 to 100 meteors per hour. That is nearly 2 shooting stars each minute during the shower's height. Some of these meteors will be fireballs. They are bright enough to cast shadows on the ground and leave glowing trails that stay in the sky for several seconds. People often ask why it is called the Perseid shower. All these meteors appear to spread from the constellation Perseus, which comes up in the northeast after 10 p.m. But one does not need to look directly at Perseus to see the meteors. They streak across the whole sky. And the best ones often appear away from the radiant point. Perseus acts like a cosmic cannon, shooting stars in all directions. The science behind what viewers see is remarkable. Every meteor is a piece of Comet Swift-Tuttle, a comet that last came to our neighborhood in 1992 and will not return until 2126. The comet has shed debris for thousands of years, creating a river of cosmic dust. Earth plows through this dust every summer. These tiny particles, most no bigger than a grain of sand, hit our atmosphere. They vaporize at once, creating those bright streaks of light. The object you see is not simply space debris. Comet Swift-Tuttle is large. Its nucleus spans about 16 miles. This makes it the biggest object that regularly passes near Earth. When this cosmic giant goes around the sun, it leaves a trail of material. This material has built up over thousands of years. Each Perseid you see shows you a piece from the deep past of our solar system. This shower has special qualities when you compare it to other meteor showers in the year. These qualities are the speed and brightness of the meteors. Astronomers call Perseids fast meteors because they enter our atmosphere at a high velocity. That speed, with the comet's material makeup, forms bright white hot streaks. These streaks often leave glowing trails of ionization that stay in the sky for several seconds after the meteor burns up. 8 essential tips for Perseid beginners. Tip number 1: timing is everything. The best viewing happens between midnight and dawn, when Perseus is highest in the sky and the shower's radiant point is optimal. Start watching around 11 p.m., but don't expect peak activity until after 2 a.m. The hour before dawn is when you'll see the most meteors. This year, avoid the nights around August 9th when the full moon will wash out fainter meteors. Tip number 2: escape the light pollution. Drive at least 30 minutes away from city lights to find truly dark skies. Use a light pollution map online to locate the darkest area within driving distance. Even a small town's street light can cut your meteor count in half. The darker your location, the more meteors you'll see. It's that simple. Tip number 3: give your eyes time to adapt. This is crucial. Spend at least 20 to 30 minutes in complete darkness before you start serious meteor hunting. Don't check your phone, don't use white flashlights, and resist the urge to turn on any lights. Your night vision is your superpower here. If you need light, use a red flashlight or a regular flashlight with red cellophane on it. Tip number 4: look northeast, but don't stare. While meteors radiate from Perseus in the northeast, they can appear anywhere in the sky. The best strategy is to look about 45 degrees away from Perseus. This is where you'll see the longest, most spectacular meteors. Don't focus on one spot, let your eyes wander across the entire sky. Tip number 5: dress like you're going winter camping. Even in summer, pre-dawn hours can be surprisingly cold, especially if you're lying still for hours. Bring layers, blankets, sleeping bags, and even winter hats. Being cold will ruin your meteor watching experience faster than anything else. Pack like you're going camping, even if you're just in your backyard. Tip number 6. Skip the equipment. Leave telescopes and binoculars at home. They limit your field of view and will cause you to miss meteors. Your naked eyes are the perfect instrument for meteor watching. However, do bring a comfortable reclining chair or blanket to lie on. You'll be looking up for hours, and neck strain is no joke. Tip number 7. Be patient and persistent. Meteor watching isn't like fireworks with a predictable schedule. You might see 3 meteors in 1 minute, then wait 15 minutes for the next one. The key is patience. Bring entertainment for the quiet moments. Meteor watching with friends, storytelling, or just enjoying the peaceful night sky makes the experience even better. Tip number 8. Watch multiple nights. Don't put all your eggs in one night's basket. The Perseids are active for over a month, and weather, moon phases, and personal schedules can interfere with any single viewing session. Plan to watch on several nights, especially in the weeks leading up to the peak when there's less moonlight interference. Now here's something most people never realize: you're not just watching a pretty light show. Every Perseid meteor you see is a time traveler. These particles have been journeying through space for potentially millions of years before their brief, brilliant finale in our atmosphere. You're witnessing the end of an epic cosmic voyage that began when Comet Swift-Tuttle was formed in the early days of our solar system. The incredible part is that right now, as you're watching this video, Earth is plowing through this river of cosmic debris at 67.0 miles per hour. We're essentially flying through space inside a giant meteor shower, and the only reason we can safely watch this cosmic bombardment is because our atmosphere acts like the perfect shield, turning potentially dangerous space rocks into beautiful shooting stars. This year's Perseids are particularly special because we're approaching the peak activity period with some of the best viewing conditions we've had in years. If you know how to work around that pesky full moon in August, the late July viewing window I mentioned earlier, that's your secret weapon for seeing meteors without the lunar interference that'll plague the official peak. And here's your final wow moment: every time you see a Perseid meteor, you're watching the universe's ultimate recycling program in action. The calcium that might have once been part of Comet Swift-Tuttle could end up in Earth's atmosphere, then in our oceans, and eventually become part of a living creature. The iron in that shooting star could one day be part of a tree, or even part of you. We're all made of star stuff, and meteor showers are just one way the universe keeps redistributing its building blocks. So this week, check your local weather forecast. Plan a late-night adventure to your darkest nearby location and prepare to witness one of nature's most spectacular shows. Don't wait until the peak in August when everyone else is watching. Be the smart one who knows that the show is already incredible right now in late July. And when you do see your first Perseid streak across the sky, remember that you're not just watching a pretty light, you're witnessing a 4-6 billion year story reaching its spectacular conclusion. You're seeing the universe itself putting on a show just for you. If this video helped you understand what you're seeing when you look up at the night sky, hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-blowing space content. Share your meteor shower photos and experiences in the comments. I love seeing how this cosmic show affects people. And most importantly, get out there and look up. The universe is waiting to amaze you, and all you have to do is step outside and give it a chance. Trust me, once you've seen your first Perseid fireball light up the entire sky, you'll understand why astronomers call this the best meteor shower of the year.